Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you how to make homemade granola. We've got a lot of requests for this recipe from our previous videos on where we showed you how to make various different types of parfaits, so we finally decided to answer your requests. So for this recipe, you will need 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, 1.5 cups of oats, half a cup of crushed almonds, half cup brown sugar, half cup chopped walnuts, and half cup of raisins. So you're going to start off by turning your stove on medium heat and adding the melted butter into a non-stick pan followed by the oats and just cooking that for about 5 minutes. Make sure you continuously move it so it doesn't burn. After about 5 minutes, you can go ahead and add all the other ingredients. And just mix them thoroughly. You're going to want to cool this for about 30 minutes before storing it. Once it's been mixed thoroughly, you're pretty much done. You can store this for up to a month in a jar if you like. You can make various different things with this, as we showed you in our previous videos that will be linked in the description below. We made various different types of parfaits. Or you can eat it with milk as cereal, pretty much whatever you'd like. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.